Along the street there comes a blare of bugles, a ruffle of drums. Blue and green, yellow and white, they shine over the steel-tipped, ordered lines. A flash of color beneath the sky. Hats off, the flags are passing by. The procession is now going through a canopy of flags held by the captains of the various marching squads of the university. The procession is now being led by the university's brass band, followed by the slow marching squad.
సరి గరి గ సరి సని ద సా పద పద పమ రి మద నిరి ని ద పమ గమ పా రి గ గమ గమ మద మద దని దని సరి గా ఆ ఆనందమే విరిసేనే అనుదినం ప్రేమామృతాలే కురిసెనే
ఆనందమే విరిసెనే అనుదినం ప్రేమామృతాలే కురిసెనే
కైవల్యమొసగే కరుణయే నేడే కనువిందుగానే కదిలే గమదని దా దని సరి సా గమదని దా దని సరి గమదని రి గ రి గ గమ గమ మద మద ని రి రి సా ని స రి సా ని స ని స గ రి సా గ రి సా ని ద గ రి సా ని ద గ రి ద ని ద ని ద ని ద గ స ని ద గ మ రి స ని ద ని ద స ని ద ని ద రి రి స ని రి సా ని ద గ రి సా ని ద గ రి స ని ద గ స ని ద గ మ రి ద గ మ గ ల ద ని రి సా స ని ని ద ని స ని ని రి సా స ని ని ద ద మ ద ని స స ని ద మ మ మ ద ని స ని గ రి మ మ ద ని స మ ద ని స ద ని స ని స మ మ ద ని స మ ద ని స ద ని స ని స మ మ ద ని స మ ద ని స ద ని స ని స
తంగడతకు దరికిడతకు దిన్ తత్తం తంగడతకు దరికిడతకు దిన్ తత్తం కిడతకు దరికిడతే తంగడతకు దరికిడతకు దిన్ తత్తం కిట్ట తక్కడతం కిట్ట తక్కడతం కిట్ట తక్కడతం
The revered Chancellor has just declared this morning's processions open. We shall now have the march past.
సగరి గ సరి ని సరి గరి గ సరి సని ద సా పద పద పమ రి మద నిరి ని ద పమ గమ పా రి గ గమ గమ మద మద దని దని సరి గా ఆ ఆనందమే విరిసేనే అనుదినం ప్రేమామృతాలే కురిసెనే
ఆనందమే విరిసెనే అనుదినం ప్రేమామృతాలే
The march past shall now commence. This is the order, okay? This is the order which will be coming. Primary school, first Telugu nu chapter, తర్వాత English nu chapter.
బాలురు భారత భాగ్య విధాతలు, బాలురు భారత భవ్య భవంతులు, చిట్టి పొట్టి చిన్నారులు, గట్టి మృష్టి పునాదులు, बाला सिंह किशोरा।
The future of the nation, the foundations of the nation. Marching divisions from the Sri Satya Sai Primary School are now filing past the dais. Take your time. No, long way off. See their strength. Let the girls come here, then you. Yours.
हम है चिंगारी, कल का उजाला बनते हैं, साई के चितवन में बनफूल खिलते हैं। नन्ही आंखों के सपने करवटे बदल रही है, आगे बढ़ रहे नन्हे पांव धरती चूम रही है। इंद्रधनुष सा निखरेंगे तारे साई आंखों के, दूर क्षितिज में डगमग करते भविष्य ये भारत के।
Today the spark, tomorrow the torch. In the garden of Sai, we are the budding flowers. Tender feet caressing the earth with soft but sure steps, we march forward, shaping the future of our nation. ATP campus. Neither
कार्येषु कुशली करणेषु मंत्री युद्धेषु शस्त्रे क्षमया धरित्री।
patience, forbearance, sacrifice. Women are the embodiment of these noble virtues, the very qualities that build a nation. Offering their pranams to the revered Chancellor now are marching divisions from the Sri Sathya Sai University's Anantapur campus. Second lot. I told up you just allow me. See, the squad is only from here to that height. So when the pink flag, just when the pink flag is on the turning, you tell yours. Huh? Not junior college. Junior college is the one which is coming. So when this pink flag is there coming to your turning, you tell your Anantapur college. After that, junior college is also your turning. Junior college Neela,
the boys
yours and wait. I'll tell you wait. First Anantapur campus, all the place. Then when I tell you again, go to junior college.
सहती है सब धरती की बेटी, त्याग करे कुछ कभी न लेती। महिमामय भारत की गरिमा, आंसू में जिसके ज्वाला सी बहती। सेवा करुणा जिसके आभूषण हैं, सीता सावित्री जिसके चिंतन में आगे बढ़े जैसे हिमसुता पावनी, भारत की बाला ये जीवन दायिनी।
Students from the Sri Sathya Sai Arts and Science Junior College for Women, Anantapur, are now offering their pranams to the Divine Master.
స్కూల్ తర్వాత
బిగ్గా ఉంది అక్కడ బిగ్ ఉంది This is higher secondary school. Yeah, start. No, this is higher secondary school. It's not correct. Where's higher secondary school after ATV Junior College? This is higher secondary school. Higher secondary school. I don't have any higher secondary school. Yes, only boys campus.
యువత యోధ నవయుగ ప్రమద, యువత సర్వత్ర పవిత్ర నేత్ర.
young students from the Sri Satya Sai Higher Secondary School, Prashantinilayam, are now filing past the podium. They offer their pranams to the Divine Chancellor.
Blue shirts.
No, they will come with the flag. It's all higher secondary school. They will come with the flag, the bank is standing there. Higher secondary school for young people and they do something. Check.
School.
That fellow's senior, right?
That was athletics. You want to tell something? Athletics. Anna Munna Rai देश का
Something you can tell us.
वीर तुम बड़े चलो
कदम चढ़ा बड़ा है.
कदम का सामना है गुड है जिंदगी है
Say that. Say.
कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे मिटाए जा।
This is the Nal campus. Yes, sir. Start, sir.
रुको नहीं, थको नहीं।
Students from the men's campus are now filing past the dais. The boys' squadrons are led by the university's captain and vice captain. First comes the Brindavan campus. As they file past the stadium, they seem to say, with Sai as charioteer of our lives, we shall tread the path of truth and righteousness. Undefeated, undaunted, we march on, we march on.
That is Prashantinilayam beauty that is coming. That's also yours. Significant position to the captain and Yes, sir.
तुम विश्वास का प्रथम श्वास हो, यू शक्ति का अनंत उच्छ्वास हो, तुम सृजन और विकास हो, द्वेष हिंसा का विनाश हो, बड़े चलो, बड़े चलो।
Contingents from the Sri Satya Sai University's Prashantinilayam campus undergraduate courses are now advancing towards the dais. As these young men approach the dais, they seem to resonate the message, the first breath of faith, the creative force, the harbinger of progress, the destroyer of hatred and violence.
The strength is quite big there. is a PG campus.
No, PG is correct.
PG is covered.
This is correct. Tell me when to get, sir.
Shifts are so
CP, the hard is for reserve also.
PG starting.
बढ़े चलो उस राह पर जिसमें किसी ने पग न थामा, गाए जाओ प्यार का वह गीत जिसे किसी ने है ना जाना। काल के कपाल पर अपना पदचिन्ह छोड़ जाओ, साई की कहानी में अपनी कथा छोड़ जाओ। बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो।
Students from the postgraduate courses of Prashanthi Nilayam campus are now going past the dais. They march on the path untrod, singing the unsung song of love, leaving their footprints on the sands of time, etching a chapter in the saga of Sai.
वीर तुम बड़े चलो आइडल
Athletics squad, last one, the brown fellows. Start athletics squad.
वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो, सामने पहाड़ हो, सिंह की दहाड़ हो, तुम निडर हटो नहीं, तुम निडर डटो वहीं। वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो।
Now going past the dais is a special squad comprising of the athletes of the university.
Your attention. Parade. Attention.
The university's flag is now being conveyed to the dais for being hoisted by the revered Chancellor.
Parade. Oath.
We, the children of Sai, swear that we will take part in the annual sports and games of the Sri Satya Sai institutions in fair competition, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them, and with the desire to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our country, the glory of sport, and our beloved Mother Sai.
We shall now have the torch lighting ceremony.
మనసులో మౌనమే పలికే గీతమై ప్రేమతో మనసులో మౌనమే మెదిలే సంగీతమై మా కలలయ్యలకే మా హృదయ స్వరగతులకే మెరిసేటి ఓ కిరణమై నీ ప్రేమ ప్రతిబింబమై నిలచేను మనసులో మౌనమే పలికే గీతమై
మా మదిలోన దీపమై నిలచిపోనేస్తమా
మధురమే ప్రతి నిరీక్షణం ప్రేమ భావనలో కలిగే స్పందనే తీపి అనుభవం నీదు ప్రేమ నదిలో
మనసులో మౌనమే మెదిలే సంగీతమై
The torch lit by Bhagwan has now reached the ladies' gallery.
आंचल में
Where?
तेरी
It is
यादों
being
में
conveyed to the
तेरी
top
जियो
of
हर
the hill
पल
by Ekashringi,
इन ख्वाबों में
unicorn,
मेरे तुझको
the mythical horned member of the equine family, which finds a mention in the Vishnu Puran.
आँखों में निखरती हर आशा में तू है इस दिल के हर कोमल एहसास में तो है
पाया तेरा प्यार है इस धुन का यही सार है वो प्यार मनसुलो मौन में पलिके गीतमयी प्रेम तो मनसुलो मौन में मेदिले संगीतमयी
The fluttering flag above signals that the torch has reached its destination. It burns first with all the vitality, verve and vigor that the annual sports and cultural meet seems to convey.
I request all the students to stand up. Parade, about turn. You march out, fellows.
The orchestral troupe from the Sri Satya Sai University's Anantapur campus, which received Bhagwan in the stadium, is now crossing the dais, offering their grateful pranams to the Divine Master. And now trooping up is the university's brass band, which provided the lilting tunes for the march past procession this morning.
beyond all metrics. To such a benevolent Lord, all of us from the Anantapur campus of the Sri Sathya Sai University offer a token of our love and gratitude, a humble tribute entitled The Spirit Behind the Sport.
The creation is the sport of the Lord, and He who presides over this sports event is also the Supreme Spirit that pervades the entire universe.
From the huge Milky Way that whirls through space at an incredible speed to the tiny electrons that speed around the nucleus with high velocities, just about everything in the universe is constantly in motion.
These spirited swirling senoritas seem to have caught some of that vibrant energy around them, and so they spin and swirl with grace and grandeur, soliciting the showers of the Lord's abundant blessings. Despite their staggering swirls, what keeps these wonderful whirlers steady and balanced on their feet? That is a secret, which if you discover, will help much in your sojourn on earth.
When hurled by the whirls of this world, when tossed by the twirls of circumstances, if one is anchored to a center that is strong and steady, if one is focused on the spirit within and without, then one's life will find balance as well as beauty, harmony as well as happiness.
Having offered their obeisances to the cosmic spirit, a benign witness to their performances, these sprightly spinners retreat, giving way for another pleasing spectacle from the Lord's sport. On a beautiful dawn like this, from the land of the rising sun, come these light-footed and nimble maidens in their traditional kimonos, obi belts, and tabi socks to give us a glimpse of their spectacular Oriental art and culture.
The Orientals, for centuries, have had to resort to handheld parasols and fans to shield and soothe themselves from the tropic sun. The Japanese, however, have evolved the use of these into an attractive art form.
The handmade and exquisitely decorated Japanese fans called akomiyogi and umbrellas called wagasa are made from 100% natural materials and fashioned by skilled teams of craftsmen.
Both the fans and umbrellas have their beauty, utility, as well as significance. These folding fans have always possessed a dual function, that of a status symbol and a useful ornament. The symbol of the parasol is used in Buddhist art to represent the royal background of the Buddha.
Even as the thin wooden panels behind the fans display in a way that conjures up the radiating sun's rays, these joyous Japanese display the pattern of the rising sun. These dainty young ladies could say to the supreme spirit behind this mega sports event, there are teams filled with the sporting fervor warming up at the background.
Many have called life a game, but this game of life can often be challenging. What really matters is not whether you win or lose, but with what spirit you play the game.
Hockey is a fascinating game that has earned the status of India's national game. With unmatched excellence and incomparable virtuosity, India has won in the last century 6 consecutive Olympic gold medals in this game.
These hockey players in front of you combine agility and dexterity to exhibit some of the basic strokes. That was a side hitting. Sweeping and defensive, followed by a zigzag dribbling. The players now team up for a match, even as they clout and smite the ball, chase it here and there. Their sole aim is to make a goal. Their attitude seems to be, winning is not everything, it is the only thing.
Before the players leave, they want to give us a quick review of the basic strokes one needs to master to play a game of hockey.
Indeed, all the world is a stage, and all men and women merely players. They have their exits and entrances.
Theory says the name tennis is is derived from the Egyptian town of Tinis alongside the Nile. And the word racket evolved from the Arabic word rahat, meaning palm, suggestive of its shape. Those who dispute this origin argue that tennis is derived from the French tennis, which meant take this, which is what the players say to one another as they serve the ball.
A competent tennis player has 8 basic shots in his or her repertoire: the serve, the forehand, the backhand, the volley, the half volley, the overhead smash, the drop shot, and the lob. As these players vigilantly watch for and aim single-pointedly at their ball, even as each hopes to outbeat the other in the game, they seem to be conscious of the sage counsel in these poetic lines. For when the one great scorer comes to write against your name, he marks not that you won or lost, but how you played the game.
Entering the field now are the Spartans and the Smashers for a display of the basic skills required for a game of volleyball. Volleyball is a team sport invented in the 19th century in the United States of America. The game was then called Mintonette. Noticing the volley nature of the game, it quickly came to be called volleyball. Volleyball involves mastering the basic skills of serving, passing, setting, attacking, blocking and digging, along with the different offensive and defensive structures. What they exhibit now are the different kinds of services. In a volleyball match, the team which serves the ball is said to be on the offense, and the opponents who have to attack the ball are said to be on the defense.
The offensive and defensive structure of the volleyball game is something that can occur in our daily lives. When defenses have to be made to life's offenses, when it is your turn to serve, do it with love. Then you would have played the game of life well, just as Bhagwan exhorts, love all, serve all. Before leaving the playground, the players seem to be wanting to remind us, when the game of life comes to an end and the umpire blows his whistle, the victors are the ones who played the game fair, never the ones who, though won the laurels, still played it foul and unfair. Bhagwan says, stars are many, the sky is one, nations are many, the earth is one. These vivacious victors wish to add, gains are many, but the goal is one. Indeed, Bhagwan, the goal, you, and you alone is one. A fan can adorn her gentle hands. A racket may fit well in her soft palms. But the spirit of a woman is capable of much more than these. the feminine graces or the sporting fervor that these young women exhibited until now doesn't seem to have assuaged their fiery spirit. So here they come to prove themselves, women of mettle, women of vigor. There is no getting ahead nor falling behind. If one wants to be together, one has to be in line with the other. Unity and oneness are not far-fetched dreams. They simply mean conformity despite independence. Life's pathways are not always straight. When the way meanders, these prudent riders follow the zigzag, yet keeping a steady pace. The riders now try a zigzag cross. Haste makes waste, and waste makes worry. So do not be in a hurry. Caution and deliberation is always good in life. These wheeling wonders are now doing one of the most dangerous yet adventurous feats in motorbike stunts. It needs vigor, valor, and velocity to do what is called the scissor cross with accuracy and precision. Indeed, if in life's crossroads one controls the pace of one's life as conscientiously as these riders, one can cross the junctions without clashes or crashes. Now, watch this fleet. Lines so very neat, doing this feat, flat on the seat. In our maddeningly mechanized world, one often wonders, who is the boss? Who is the master? The man who invented the machines or the machines that man has made? If man is the master, the machines will be under his control. Just like if the mind is in man's control, he becomes the mastermind. It takes great courage to let go, and to let go completely is to surrender totally. To surrender the controls of one's life altogether needs that firm faith which spells surrender as sure under. Indeed, to surrender is to be surely under the protective grace of the Lord. Discontent seems to be man's second nature. The 110cc TVS Star City bikes didn't seem to satisfy that young dasher. Uninhibited and undaunted, these riders now experiment different ways to accommodate pillion riders with different dispositions. Just as in life, one accommodates with varied temperament. Looking at things from different angles can help broaden one's vision. When you look around, you may be impressed. When you look down, you may get depressed. But when you look up to Him, you can be blessed. To fling yourself in the path of the providence needs courage. It's only courage blended with ingenuity and work that can work out a miracle. That's about half a dozen people on a mere two-seater, with narrow roads and heavy traffic, with increasing demands of a fast life. One needs creative ways to commute. Individual commitment to a group effort. That's what makes a team work. A single disturbance can shake the balance, while stillness can lend steadiness. It's now time for some biking wizardry. You will need to hold your breath, sit up erect, as well as to do it. That rash rider, or is she only a brash adventurer? A death-defying jump to dare. Coming up now are four fearless fun lovers. Agni Pariksha was a test of purity. No one took it for fun. But these dare dashers dare to play with fire. Fearlessly and faithfully they fly over the flaming ring of fire. Did someone say, "Oh frailty, thy name is woman"? Then it's time to rewrite literature and say, "Oh fearlessness, thy name is woman." Take your eyes off the blazing fire. Get ready now for this breathtaking and astounding feat. Incredible self-confidence and abundant divine grace. That is the secret of a thumping success. This intrepid brave heart seems to believe that grace comes in leaps and bounds to those who dare to make a leap in faith. There she was, unperturbed over 20 people, breaking her own record of jumping over 16 people earlier in this very field. Unless one undertakes more than one possibly can do, one will never do all that one can. further progress by surpassing ourselves. A human pyramid, the finale of any motor show, is what will come next. 28 people on 7 bikes in 2005. Today, it's scaled up to 38 people on 9 bikes. If this is not progress, then what is? And then, that's not all. They took the straight road to traverse then, but today they maneuver with great efficiency, bends and curves. To take this magnificent human pyramid all around the ground. It is the ineffable inspiration of Bhagwan that has made the wheeling wonders possible. It is the same inspiration that has spurred the magnanimous generosity of the TVS Motors Limited, the TVS group of companies that provided these 36 brand new TVS Star City bikes to help us do this motorbike stunts.
इन लम्हों में सिमट आया है सदियों का सफर, तू हम चले सब मिल चले ले खुशियों की डगर।
साई तुम दिल हो, धड़कन हो, प्यार हो, तुम बिन जीवन क्या होगा।
कितनी हो प्यारे हो जग के सहारे, तुम सा न कोई हो सकता। आशा के तराने हर दिल में लहराएंगे, पाले प्यार हाँ तेरा।
हाँ हर पल, हाँ हर दम, हाँ हर पल, हाँ हर दम,
तुम दिल की आरज़ू। साई तुम दिल हो,
धड़कन हो, प्यार हो,
तुम बिन जीवन क्या होगा। कितने हो प्यारे
हो जग के सहारे,
तुम सा न कोई हो सकता। गम बदा गम बदा पदनि दनि सा दनि सा दनि सा गम बदा पदनि दनि सा दनि सा दनि सा दनि सा दनि सा गम 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 पम गरि सनि दनि दनि द पम गरि द पम गरि सनि दनि सा पम गरि सनि दनि सनि द पम गरि द पम गरि सनि दनि सा। करलैना विडनियु बंधमा मागम्यं नीवे मा प्राणवा।
माटकंदनी भावं मौनरागमयी, प्रेमे चिरुजल्लुरै पारिसिलैरुगा। ये नाटिकी ये जन्मकु साई स्मृतुले मानीडै नडिपिंचगा। ओ निस्तं मा प्राणं ओ साई, ओ निस्तं मा प्राणं ओ साई, ओ निस्तं मा प्राणं ओ साई, ओ निस्तं मा प्राणं ओ साई। हम थे अकेले
प्यार से अनजाने, तुमने प्यार सिखाया।
हम थे अकेले प्यार से अनजाने, तुमने प्यार सिखाया।
हर चाहत है तुझसे, हर हसरत भी तुझसे,
तुम दिल की अल्फाज काफी नहीं है इश्क बयां करने को। रूह से निकली हुई ये आवाज पहुंचे तुम तक, बस यही है दुआ मेरी साई, यही है दुआ हमारी।
Nishant heads for the obstacles. Barrels, no problem at all, proclaim the rider and his steed in unison. His path is well planned and he seems determined. The obstacles just disappear below the horse's hooves, be it the double jump or the crossbars. No fence shall obstruct us, as freedom is our birthright. Eager to approach the Lord, Nishant courageously guides his steed over the green wall and sets a perfect start for the program of the Brindavan campus.
Kartik Narayan, the second rider, quickly realizes that well begun is half done, and the triple bar seems a perfect jump for a start. The horse and the rider jump over the barrel barricade to please the Lord. Never say no to challenges, as the horse adds 2 more to its tally of jumps. The horse crosses over another obstacle. Never be tense, advises the horse as he crosses the fence. In this era of science and technology, man finds pride in riding the machines.
Restlessness is but the nature of a horse. It is only a competent rider who can curb it and bring the horse back to the path.
With these jumps, it is proved that man, the prestige and honor lies in riding a horse.
For an optimist like Mohit, these obstacles are stepping stones to success, as his steed jumps over the 3 bars. फौलाद की दीवार करेंगे हम पार, says the rider as they jump over the barrels. एक से भले दो. One jump is awesome, but these back-to-back jumps are just spectacular. There is no scope for error as the cross is crossed. They seem to just feast upon this course as a king over his banquet. It is not your aptitude, but your attitude that determines your altitude. Mohit proves this as he salutes the Lord in surrender.
This breathtaking event fills us all with awe and wonder, but also conveys an important lesson. Bhagwan says that our senses are like horses, powerful but wild and reckless. Just as the horses are tamed, similarly, man must control his senses. And to aid him, our Almighty Master has descended on this earth and is seated right in front of us.
Man's achievements know no limits. Undying spirit, teamwork, and coordination are virtues which can make any endeavor successful. Man can then make the impossible possible. But it is essential to remember that it is only God's grace which makes a distant dream an instant reality.
An extravaganza. What you are about to witness next is a wonderful pageant of power and courage, beauty and grace, rhythmic beats and superhuman feats. Leading this contingent is the Brindavan Band.
कदम कदम से आ रही है ये सदा, झूम झूम के गा रही है ये हवा. बढ़े चलो जुल्म से लड़े चलो. तुम जो आज रुक गए, मुश्किलों से झुक गए, तो मंजिल मिलेगी फिर कहां. Marching towards success requires conquering obstacles and distractions through strict discipline. The band ensures just this.
Band enshrines all these virtues and teaches us to not only live in harmony with ourselves, but also in harmony with others.
We see you by the morning light. We seek you in the silent night. Taking thy name, we march ahead. Walking the path of joy and faith. So stand up for your champion, for your champion. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up for your champion, for your champion.
Agile and fast are the first words that come to one's mind on seeing this group. Welcome to the world of aerobics. Their innovative moves stretch our imagination and their body to the limit.
They are fast on their feet, but grace is something that just flows from their body. Robots have serious competition. The Aerobots are here.
The Aerobots now shift into the reverse gear. The smoother their movements become, the tougher becomes the task.
And now, they bend effortlessly with only the tips of their toes on the ground. Mind you, balance is no problem. Gravity seems to have given them a holiday as they glide.
And now we have here the Prashanti Wheelers. These wheelers show to the world that whatever may be the circumstance, equanimity is a must.
Two people seeing the world upside down. What an experience it is!
Oh stars, now I need not look at the sky, for I see you right in front of my eye.
Here we have a display of power, balance and cooperation. To mobilize this iron wheel requires great power, perfect balance and mental equipoise. How beautiful can things become?
The Aerobots return, well equipped. The skipping ropes signify the shackles to which man is tied to. When the rope is above the head, man has nothing to trouble him. But when it comes down, it is a moment of danger. Aerobics, with its colorful accompaniments, is known to keep the body in great shape. The beauty and charm of aerobics is its visiting card. And now we see the Aerobots rhythmically paving the way for the Prashanti Wheelers once again.
The ease with which they perform the Chakrasana, Vrikshikasana and Kirshasana is indeed inspiring.
Bhagwan says, bend the body and mend the senses. Look at our wheelers as they put into action these pearl-like words of Bhagwan in the form of these stunning yogasanas. Wood has its own magic. Simple planks become the timber wonders.
Seesaw is a child's play, but here what you witness is something whose success depends upon cooperation, coordination, and perfect synchronization.
Nature is the very soul of man. Here what you witness is a beautiful human flower, and on top of it is a honeybee. It may be soothing for us, but challenging for the performers.
An acrobatic look and beautiful synchronization are the very essence of this feat known as the fish dive. Water, water nowhere, still a fish to dive.
Magical are the ways of these timber wonders as they glide these heavy planks over their hands.
The clock comprises of its two better halves, the wheel and the pendulum. And as the pendulum moves, the wheel of time goes on and on.
These graceful performers right to make every day a day of achievement. And now, every other day they toil is a day worth remembering.
Human pyramids are the ultimate test of teamwork and cooperation. The flag bearer has every reason to be grateful to each and every person below him, for without them, he cannot reach such great heights.
One for all and all for one. The aerobots show us how it is done. 82 feet above Mother Earth. What can 27 men of steel mounted on 130 interlinked metal squares do? The answer is magic. Welcome to the Celestial Rhythms.
On their way to the sky, they display the message that is embossed in gold in each and everyone's heart. We love you, Swami. And at this very moment, the Timber Wonders display the initials of our Lord on the ground. S, S, S.
A for apple, B for ball. But what the world needs desperately today is L for love.
With only their hands attaching themselves to the aerial residence, any doubts in their minds, like what and if, are deleted from their dictionaries.
When our eyes meet the suspended grid, they feast on the supreme blend of physical endurance and mental firmness. But the grace and coordination of these daredevils doesn't escape our attention.
Here is a display of intricate balance and skill. It is only those who have the courage of the mythical David can stand tall.
Up above the world so high, shining diamonds in the sky. This shape signifies perfection all over the world.
These children of Sai are ready to surmount the pinnacle of their devilry as they leave their hands in total surrender. The inverter move stretches the limits of physical endurance, with the aerial heroes preferring to have the view of Mother Earth for a change.
When the going gets tough, the tough get going. With the forces of nature playing havoc on their bodies, they swing. But their undying spirits are rejuvenated by the Lord's gaze. God's creation, the butterfly, is truly magnificent. Ever seen so many butterflies so high up in the sky?
होंगे कामयाब. V is for victory. Victory over the body, mind and senses. Jesus Christ said, cut the eye of the ego over the cross. What more significant message can this formation convey?
When the legs give way, it is only faith in God that makes man still stand tall. And as if not satisfied, their next move sends tremendous pressure to every single nerve.
In times of darkness and ignorance, the dazzling shine of this Kohinoor diamond marks the dawn of light and realization. The celestial gymnasts offer their salute to the Lord. They proclaim His glory as He is the doer and He the recipient. And now, they descend from the wonders of the skies, using the ropes in maneuvers known as the monkey crawl, rocket, and the inverted rocket, which are far more difficult than what they appear to be. All the shades that we just witnessed now fuse together to form a colorful rainbow. With the band maintaining its rhythm, the Prashanti wheels are as well balanced as ever, while the aerobots and timber wonders choose to be flowers in the garden of Mother's side. Lord, You are the rhythm of our heart. You pervade our every part. You are the light of our soul. O Sai Ma, You are our only goal. We see our Lord's name high in the sky. Infinite that is, even the sky becomes limited.
यादों का सिलसिला चल पड़े यूं, तेरे बिन हम रह ना पाए। जब जब तेरी याद सताए, हम तेरे आंगन में आ जाएं, हम तेरे आंगन में आ जाएं।
तेरे दर पर हम आए, प्यार का दीपक जलाने, चरणों में अर्पित करते हैं इस दिल के नजराने। दिला का ऐसे लगे जैसे तेरा चल, ममता तेरी बहती रहे, साया तेरा मिले हर पल। खुशियों से भर दी है झोली हमारी, तुमने ही जीवन की डोर संभाली। माँ माँ, करिश्मा तेरे नाम का, दूर दूर जहाँ पाऊँ वहाँ, करिश्मा तेरे नाम का। माँ माँ, करिश्मा तेरे नाम का। माँ माँ, భావమే మీ పాటలో మధురమే అందించే ఆహ్లాదమే మది నింపే మీ ప్రేమ తీయని మీ నవ్వు ఈ జన్మకి కధన్యమే ధైర్యాన్ని అందించి విజయం మీదేనంటూ సారథివైనావుగా మీ కన్నుల్లో ఆనందం వీక్షిస్తూ కరిగేనే మా కష్టమే దయ చూపి మా పైన దరి చేర్చి ప్రతిసారి మా అమ్మకే అమ్మవై మా పలుకు మా అణువు మా తనువు మా మనసు ఎప్పటికీ నీ కోసమే We neither aspire for the world nor desire heavens above. All we want is to see your beautiful smile. All we want is to see your beautiful smile. A smile more precious than gold. A smile more precious than gold. So today, dear mother, we take a vow to spread in the world your infinite love. Then all be one, there will be no strife. Show us the path, oh breath of our life. On this very joyous day, all of us in unison say, hey, hey, Bhagwan Baba ki jai, Bhagwan Baba ki jai, Sai Mata ki jai, Sai Mata ki jai, Bhagwan Baba ki jai, Bhagwan Baba ki jai, Sai Mata ki jai.
यादों का सिलसिला चल पड़े यूं, तेरे बिन हम रह न पाए, जब जब तेरी याद सताए, हम तेरे आंगन में आ जाएं, हम तेरे आंगन में आ जाएं।
तेरे दर पर हम आए, प्यार का दीपक जलाने, चरणों में अर्पित करते हैं इस दिल के नजराने। नीला आकाश ऐसे लगे जैसे तेरा आंचल, ममता तेरी बहती रहे, साया तेरा मिले हर पल। खुशियों से भर दी है झोली हमारी, तुमने ही जीवन की डोर संभाली। माँ माँ करिश्मा तेरे नाम का, ढूंढूं जहाँ पाऊँ वहाँ, करिश्मा तेरे नाम का। माँ करिश्मा तेरे नाम का, माँ करिश्मा तेरे नाम का। मी माटलो भावमे, मी पाटलो मधुरमे, अंदिंचे आह्लादमे మది నింపే మీ ప్రేమ తీయని మీ నవ్వు ఈ జన్మకి కధన్యమే ధైర్యం ధైర్యాన్ని అందించి విజయం నీదేనంటూ సారథివైనావుగా. మీ కన్నుల్లో ఆనందం వీక్షిస్తూ కరిగేనే మా కష్టమే. దయ చూపి మా పైన దరి చేర్చి ప్రతిసారి మా అమ్మకే అమ్మవై, మా పలుకు మా అణువు మా తనువు మా మనసు ఎప్పటికీ మీ కోసమే.
మనసులో మౌనమే పలికే గీతమై, ప్రేమతో మనసులో మౌనమే మెదిలే సంగీతమై.
మా కలలయ్యలకే మా హృదయ స్వరగతులకే మెరిసేటి ఓ కిరణమై, ఈ ప్రేమ ప్రతిబింబమై నిలచేను
మనసులో మౌనమే